Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to set up FTP server in Windows 10. Friends, FTP server is very useful tool to transfer file from one location to another location. It's also used for backup your data on FTP server and transfer file from FTP server to any device. So friends, in this video we will see how to set up FTP server in Windows 10 and how to copy data from FTP server to other location and how we can backup data to FTP server. So friends, first of all we have to enable FTP server features in Windows 10. So let me show you how to enable this feature. So first of all we will enable this. So go to search and type here control panel, then go to programs, and here we will go to turn Windows feature on or off. Okay, so you can see we have now we will enable FTP feature. Now we have to go to Internet Information Service, IIS. Okay, so just select here and expand it. So now we have to select here FTP server, then FTP service and FTP exchangeability. Now also go to web management tool, expand it, and we have to select here IIS management console. Okay, so friends, now we have selected this. Now click on OK. Now it's searching required files. Now it's applying changes. Now you can see Windows completed the requested change. Now click on close. Now friends, close this and go to administrative tool. Now type here administrative tool. Okay, Windows administrative tool, click here, and now we will get here Internet Information Service IIS Manager. Now just click on this. Okay, now you can see here FTP features is available here. Okay, expand it. Now go click on site. Now right click on site here. Now click on add FTP site. Okay, now FTP site name server. Okay, now friends, you have to provide path from your FTP folder path where you will keep data, from where you can copy or transfer file, or on that folder you can take backup. So I am going to select here my FTP data folder here. Now friends, you can see I have created this folder FTP data, and you can also create new folder. Now this is a path here where you can take backup, from where you can transfer file with FTP server. Okay, now click on next. Now if you want to bind particular interface, particular IP address, from which IP address it can take backup or access FTP server, or you can leave it all as unassigned. Okay, now in this section start FTP site automatically, select here no SSL. Now click on next. Now we have to select basic authentication here. Okay, all users, read and write permission here. If you want to only provide write permission or read permission, you can provide here. You want to select a specific user from here who can access your FTP server, you can do this. So I'm selecting here all user. Now click on finish here. Now friends, we have to allow FTP server in Windows Firewall. So let me go to Windows Firewall here. Windows Defender, Windows Firewall, allow app through Windows Firewall. Click here. Now you can see allow app communicating through Windows Defender Firewall. Now here we have to select here, go to change setting. Now we have to select FTP server here. Now friends, you can see FTP server, just select here and click on OK. Now FTP server allowed in Windows Firewall. Now let's try to access FTP server from our PC here. My PC IP address, with my PC IP address, let's try. Now friends, we will test our FTP server is working or not. So let's check here with FileZilla client. Here is my FileZilla. Now what I do, I will provide my FTP server IP address here, 192.168.1.25. Now username of PC FTP server. Now password or Windows 10 password here. Now port number 21. Now just click here to quick connect. Now you can see you have successfully connected with your FTP server which you have created here. So you can see these two files are showing here. So now how to transfer file from one location to another location? So let me show you how you can take backup to your FTP server. So suppose this is your local PC here. So from here you can take backup your FTP server. So I have to take backup of this folder to FTP server. Now you can just drag and drop here. Okay, now backup taken. Now if you want to transfer file from your FTP server to your local machine, so you can transfer with this folder, like just drag and drop from FTP server to local PC. So friends, in this video you have seen how to set up FTP server in Windows 10. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.